It had been a great experience, and I was really honored to visit this event.
Vikram Chhabra, Managing Director, Sajjan Engineering and Castings. The Manufacturing Maestro of Ludhiana edition was felicitated by Rajesh Pandey, Managing Director, TSI Power, and Keshav Khurana, Executive Director, Volhaupter, India.
Thank you very much, Hari, for inviting here. I am indeed very much honored, especially to share stage with role models. I mean, we have been hearing stories about these entrepreneurs when we just joined the business. These are people whom you have honored, are the legends for Punjab. So they are our role models. Please give a big hand for our role models. Being an entrepreneur in Punjab, you must realize that if you are an exporting company, you are always fighting with Chennai, you're always fighting with Gujarat, you're always fighting with the companies who are located just near the port. Getting shipment to the port, sailing on board is a challenge for a Punjab entrepreneur. So we have to be 2 times faster than an average entrepreneur in the country. So that's the spirit not supported by the government, but it's an entrepreneur spirit in the Punjab and the people of Punjab that you have been ruling the world. So thank you very much once again. I am really pleasured and honored to be amongst all of you.
I really admire your spirit and your enterprise and the kind of words that you said. Very nice words, and I'm sure that you will go very, very far and make India proud globally.
Heartiest congratulations, Vikram ji, and I'll say wish you all the best, and you are doing good. Keep it up. And once again, I'll say thank you to this all manufacturing maestros.
Keep it up, machine maker, and continue this journey forward. And I'm sure that you will be able to contribute to nation building across all industries in a very positive manner, and you will be very impactful for the country's growth as well.
It's not an event, it's a celebration of manufacturing heroes, all the companies, MSMEs who are contributing to India's manufacturing production as well as the growth of India.